Hi, I'm Sean here at Frame Destination. In this video, we'll talk about when and why you might use picture frame spacers in a frame kit. And I'll demonstrate how to use them to protect your artwork and your frames. Before we begin, let's take a look at some spacers. Picture frame spacers are specially designed strips of plastic that, when placed around the edges of the glazing, sit between your glazing and your art. Ours are made from pH neutral material, so there's no worry about acids or alkaline substances leaching into your artwork. They come in two different sizes, 1/8 and 3/16, to allow for different levels of air cushioning. They're also available in two different colors, clear and black, so they blend in with the art and the frame. These spacers work easily both on acrylic glazing and glass and can be used in wood and metal frames. Spacers on occasion may also be referred to as art glass separators. We recommend using spacers when you're framing an image or piece of art without a mat. Spacing prevents the frame glazing from coming into contact with the painting, photo, or other pieces of art, protecting it from potential damage. Without spacers, the image could buckle or get stuck to the glazing, causing damage and making it difficult to reframe your art in the future. If the picture is in a high moisture environment, frame spacers are especially important. They allow air circulation, thus preventing the formation of destructive mold and mildew on your art. Another reason for using frame spacers is that they provide a smooth surface between the edge of the glass and the framing material itself. This not only protects you by preventing possible injuries when installing glazing into the frame rabbet, it also keeps those otherwise rough edges from digging into the frame material, shredding particles of paint or other substances into the artwork. Now, even if you're using a mat with your art, spacers can add extra depth to your frame. If you want to add that dramatic depth of field look, add spacers to your glazing within your frame. There's nothing wrong with using them even if you plan on using a mat with your artwork. Okay, so perhaps you determine you need frame spacers. How do you order them? Spacers can be added to any custom frame during the ordering process by choosing the Show Options button within the Additional Frame Add-ons section of the product page of any custom frame you've chosen. If you're shopping a standard picture frame product page, simply choose the Customize this frame option. Once you've scrolled down to the Additional Frame Add-on section and click the Show Options button, choose the spacer type and color from the drop-down under the spacer section and continue with the ordering process. The spacers will come sized to fit the glazing within your custom frame kit. When you order a quantity of one, you'll receive all 4 pieces you need for each side of your glass or acrylic. It's that easy. And if you already have a frame and need to order spacers separately, that can easily be done through our framing supply category on our website. You can order spacers to a custom size, or you can order a larger length and easily cut them yourself. This feature gives you the flexibility to easily add spacers to any future framing project. Now let's talk about what to do once you receive your frame order and spacers. Spacers are attached to the edge of your glass or acrylic. The technique is similar to closing a Ziploc bag. The glass or acrylic glazing goes inside of the spacer above the airspace. You simply slip the S-shaped spacer over the edge of the glazing on one end and continue pushing the spacer onto the glazing the rest of the way down. Continue with the other 3 sides. The spacers come a tiny bit short, so they will fit flush on all 4 sides. If you're using a new piece of acrylic in your frame kit, remove the covering from the acrylic before attaching spacers. See the link in the description of this video for a demonstration on how best to do that. Frame spacers are a small but mighty framing component that makes it easy to achieve professional looking framing results in a very short amount of time. And best of all, they'll keep your artwork protected for many years to come. Thank you for watching. For any questions or to order your custom handcrafted frames, please give us a ring at 972-479-1188. Chat with us on our website or email us at info@framedestination.com.